What is going on, everyone? It's Mark here with another video, and today I am excited for one reason and one reason only. We are reviewing a Bluetooth speaker from a company that I am a fan of. So today we are going to be reviewing a Bluetooth speaker by Tribit. They call it the Stormbox Micro, and I'm pretty excited for two reasons. One, again, like I said, Bluetooth speakers, my favorite thing to review. Two, it is by Tribit. Tribit is a company that I have already reviewed on this channel. They have a lot of great products. So I'm excited to see what we have in store today. But very quickly, going around the box. In the front here, we of course have a picture or a representation of the actual speaker itself. Tribit, there was some shipping damage. I blame the shipping company. On the side here, they do give you a few features that the speaker does have up its sleeve. So we have IPX7 waterproof. So there's a waterproof component to this, which is good. So you'll be able to take this outside to the pool, beach days. Long battery life, not sure how much just yet. True wireless stereo, superior sound. So opening the box, you're greeted by the paperwork, of course, inside. So if I really wanted to, I'm sure we could find a whole bunch of information on terms of the driver specifications and all this fun stuff. You know how we like to do. We just leave that off to the side in case things go wrong. You also get a thank you card and the speaker itself. It is nicely wrapped up in a protective plastic. We'll take that out. There we go, off to the side. We don't necessarily need the plastic. And you'll of course have a charging cable. This is a USB-A to a USB-C charging port because the speaker actually does charge with USB-C, which is a nice touch. More and more finally, they're going to USB-C. I know I'm an Apple fanboy and I still don't have anything that charges like this other than my laptop, but I think USB-C is going to be the future, and we already have this with this speaker, so that's nice. Let's hope it's all juiced up. It's been sitting in the studio for a little while, so I hope it doesn't drain too much. And here's the actual speaker. In the front here, you are greeted by Tribit. This is kind of a very nice canvasy feeling cover for the speaker itself. Is black and gray. It matches very well with the plastic. In the front, of course, you're gonna have your three buttons there, play, pause, your volume controls as well. And the actual rubber here makes the rest of the speaker is that really nice black, soft touching plastic. It's definitely a premium feeling product. And in the front, I guess the side, you are greeted by the power button, Bluetooth button, so that's how you're gonna be turning on and connecting your devices. You're also gonna see a few LED lights, which are gonna tell you what your battery percentage is. And I think I just turned it on. So if you take a look at the back of the speaker itself, you're going to be greeted by the mesh at the bottom. That's going to allow for airflow for the speaker itself. But you're also going to be greeted by this flap. What is this flap, you might ask? This is a flap that you can use, or a strap that you can actually secure this speaker to different items that you would like to. For example, a bike handlebar, or if you're by a bench, you can actually strap it onto the bench, or if you're concerned about it moving, you can actually strap this to your backpack. It kind of gives you that versatility with the speaker where you don't either have to have it on the ground, you don't have to hold it, it doesn't have to go on a hard surface. You can actually just strap it to whatever you would like. And of course, there is your USB-C. I'm excited. Let me get my phone. From the random chimes it has been doing throughout this review, the speakers sound pretty good. So let me go into settings. There it is, very easily. Oh, I didn't even finish my sentence and it was connected. A very easy pairing process. Okay, so now, moment of truth. Let's go into music. I'm at about 75% volume right now.
And so once again, only one man clever enough to have perpetrated such a dastardly crime. And I thought you were ready to give up.
It's definitely loud. Definitely everything is there. The highs are there, the lows are there, the mids are there.
You're a bad man. You're a very bad man.
It's actually really good. I've heard enough to make a verdict, it's a very good speaker for its size. There is a size factor, of course, that's involved. There's a versatility. It's a good speaker. All the highs, all the lows, all the mids were there. Was it the world's most crystal clear speaker? No. But this was a good speaker. On the multiple songs that we did just listen to, everything was there. This isn't a speaker you're taking to a house party and you're not gonna be filling up all the 5, 6, 7 living rooms that house may or may not have. This is a speaker that you're gonna be tossing in your backpack. This is a speaker that you're gonna be strapping onto your handlebars. This is a speaker that you're gonna be bringing outside with you whenever you're going on a hike or to the beach. This is a speaker that's gonna be with you at all times. This is a very versatile speaker. With all of those checks there, plus the sound quality that it's getting, you're getting a solid 6.5 to 7 out of 10 out of a little speaker like this. It's great. This is an awesome little speaker. And you can't tell me that sound quality was not par, if not a little bit above par from the other speakers around in the market. This is a great little speaker, especially with the strap. This is gonna be coming in clutch. When I'm going kayaking, guess what? This thing's gonna be on the boat. Hopefully I don't fall over. Well, actually it's waterproof. I'm more concerned with the fact that I'm gonna drop my phone out of my pocket and down into the deep lake. But this is a great little speaker. So that's the Tribit Stormbox Micro. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Is this a speaker that you would be interested in? The size factor, it's literally the size, if not small, of my hand. It goes wherever you go. Would you be interested in a speaker like this? I'll of course have a link down in the description, but yeah, like I said, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And if you like that video, please be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below. And for additional brownie points, please follow me on all of my social media. Links can be found down in the description. And yes, Twitch is a thing that we are now doing on a somewhat regular basis, by somewhat minimum 3 times a week. So feel free to hit that link down in the description, type it into your browser, or just search my name on Twitch, the application and or website, and you will be able to join the fun. Anyways, I hope you liked that video. Thanks again, and I will see you on the next one.